Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to discover how fermented foods can totally transform your digestion and skin? Stick around for the next few minutes and I'll show you the magic that happens when you embrace foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha. First off, let's talk about gut health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. The good ones, also known as probiotics, play a crucial role in keeping your digestion smooth and your immune system strong. When you consume fermented foods, you're giving these probiotics a boost, helping them to outnumber the bad bacteria. So what are some top fermented foods you should consider? Kimchi, a spicy Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, is a powerhouse of probiotics. Sauerkraut, which is fermented cabbage, is another excellent choice. And don't forget kombucha, that fizzy, tangy drink made from fermented tea. These foods not only add a unique flavor to your meals, but also pack a punch when it comes to boosting your gut health. Now, let's dive into foods that support digestion. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are a great start. Fiber helps keep things moving along in your digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Prebiotics, which are essentially food for your good gut bacteria, can be found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas. And don't overlook digestive enzymes, naturally found in foods like papaya and pineapple, which help break down the food you eat, making it easier to digest. All right, here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know your gut health can directly impact your skin? That's right, conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea can all be linked to the state of your gut. When your gut is healthy, it can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your skin. By incorporating more fermented foods and gut-friendly choices into your diet, you might just see a noticeable improvement in your skin's appearance. So what can you do today to start transforming your gut and skin health? Begin by adding a variety of fermented foods to your diet. Mix up your meals with plenty of fiber-rich options and incorporate prebiotics and digestive enzymes. And most importantly, listen to your body. Remember, changes won't happen overnight, but with consistency and a bit of patience, you'll be on your way to better digestion and glowing skin. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Catch you next time.